Alright guys, welcome back. Got two new purchases from Copart. Nice Fiat 500, the Polo. Obviously, Copart, being Copart, they did not tell me, I did not take any photos of underneath. And there's a big hole in the sump. So, that's brilliant. We've had the extension on the pulley there to turn the engine over by hand, and it does turn, so it's not seized. So we're going to take all the sump off, see what we need, put a new one on, put it back together, and see if she runs. The only other damage really was this wing. There was this wing, the light was a little scratch, might polish up. This door, little dent there. Rear headlight. A rear light. I think maybe one of the tyres was flat. But apart from that, obviously the engine inside looks messy, but alright. It's got 102,000 miles on it. Came with some service history, which is nice. Lock and wheel, not all that. The back, I got my jack in a second, but I wish you could smell in here. It stinks of, I don't know, like oil and fuel and nice and close, all sorts. But yeah, that's the Polo. So we've got a big job on hands there. Hopefully all goes well. Show you the Fiat. Obviously needs a new rear bumper, maybe painted. Inside seats are always disgusting in these. But apart from that, it looks alright. I think it's got about 70k, was it, Cal? Yeah, I think it's about 70k, wasn't it? Apart from that, wing, and a new bumper, new fog light, just that side. All the rest is alright. So that's not too bad either, quite light damage. Obviously got snow on the Polo there with the sump, I didn't know about that. But you win some, you lose some. Hopefully this one we don't lose on it, but we'll see. Gonna take the sump apart now, see what else it needs. I think it needs an oil pickup and that, so I'll have a look into that. But yeah. Yeah, the steel all. Alright, so we're underneath the Polo, and we're just going to start removing all these little bolts here. Looks like 10 mils. Got some Torx on the side here for the brackets. Just to see what we're working with. It's attached to the gearbox with 3 bolts as well, I think. Oh, there's inside of here, there's bolts as well. So we've got to try and get them out somehow, because they're like sideways. But here's the damage. Obviously, got no oil sensor thing there. No oil filter. Just a big hole. Like I said, we have turned it by hand and it was turning. There's a bit of resistance, but obviously it's got no oil in it and stuff, so. And all the injectors are still in, so it's got some sort of compression. But yeah, we're just gonna start removing all these bolts and see what else damages. It's obviously the oil pickup's broken as well. So we'll see what happens. Starting to remove this wing now as well. Getting all the bolts out, 2 up top, one there, one down bottom, and then one behind this little cover. It'll be attached to the bumper with some bolts as well. Grant's working on the sump. Ready the next one? Alright, we got the wing all off. It was bolt there, here. One back there, that was a bugger to get to. There, and there was 3 along here. That's all off now. I'll take you underneath where I've been working away for the last hour trying to get 2 bolts out. Where's the torch at? You can see if I can, there you go. That one up there and then that one there. They're like offset, so I had to wait because I had to buy some of these 10mm wobbly bits, because I had like normal wobbly bits but it was too big, so got these ones, they worked. And also this here, I don't know if you can tell, but I had to bend it a bit so it's not straight. You can probably see that it's a little bit bent. So that's a 10mm wobbly you'll need, and then on the wobbly extension as well, 3/8, and this was a hex 5 with a wobbly on the end to get these 2 bolts out. But we've got them out now. Obviously we've taken all the other bolts out around it, taken these clamps off. These were torque bits on there as well. Your 10mm on the other side for your dipstick, and then there's 3 bolts that go along there. So now what I'm going to do is get a pry bar. There's little tabs you can pry under. I can find one to show you. Oh, there. You pry under this one. Pry bar under there. Pry under there. And there's some on this side as well somewhere. So I'm going to pry all this off in there. See what it looks like. I'll just try and set you up on a little video there. You can watch me try and pry this out. Just prying off the sides, yeah, I don't want to like damage anything, just kind of going slowly. It seems like it's peeling off quite well. Not surprised. Right under it, so I bet I'll get covered. There's nowhere else I can really go. I can't get that one in there, the pry bar's too big. See if I can get from underneath this side. Oh, there it goes. There's a little lip in this corner. Oh, hold up. I think that's a bolt I've just noticed on this. That's the intercooler air duct, yeah. Yeah, there's a screw there at the back. Get this out. Just right here. Just noticed that, I didn't realise. This one here, intercooler pipe. I've got to remove that, it's a Torx bit. There we go, I've got that one removed. Try to put yours back, see if you can see anything. I can try and pry off this now. Try and move out the way so I don't get fucking covered in shade. Oh, nice little fucking handle there. Get some on that side somehow. I cannot see any other bolts, but I feel like there's another one. Bet you were all looking at that as well. That was already loose. I'm blaming Grant. Probably left it in so it didn't fall out, but These things are sealed pretty tight. These are all screaming there. Bloody bolting it still. Okay, let's move out the way. Fry bar. Ah, what's that bit? Okay. Trying to wobble it out of the dipstick there. There's obviously the dipstick still there. So. Start with that. There's that bolt. There we go, guys. Oh, pickup's broke. Oh, I guess that's a whole unit. Probably why I couldn't find it. Get one of them as well then. Alright, so that's all removed now. You can see the pistons up there as well. You can see them. It looks good. Obviously I need to order this bit. There's a part number there I can see. So I'll wipe that, get the part number. I'll quickly remove this part as well. It's the oil pickup. And possibly something else. Oil pump or something. Oh no, there's the chain. Oh shit. I see broken things. Alright, let me take this apart. Alright, so I removed the oil pickup, as you can see. And as you can see here, the oil pump and chain and everything. If you look up there, get this torch on it. The tensioner is broken. It does look like it's in time though. I mean, that marking's correct, I believe. But yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to take all this apart, put a new chain and tensioners on it as well, hopefully. So new chain and tensioners, new oil pickup, new sump, new filters, new oil, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's alright. We'll find out. Alright, so yeah, get all them bits ordered for the beautiful Polo. Hopefully everything will work out alright. I don't know if I showed you the Salvage beamer. Picked that up the other day. Couple issues with that. It's got a new disc on it. Doing the back soon as well. Had a new caliper actually. We just put that in. Yeah, airbag issues and stuff inside that one. Here's the Fiat. I started up last time, I can't remember, so I'll give it a little start up please. Put a new battery in it. Runs lovely. I think it might need a new auxiliary belt, but it's a little bit whiny, but apart from that it's alright. So it needs a good clean and everything. This one doesn't seem like a bad purchase, this is alright. So I just need to get a bumper and that sorted for it. It should be alright. MOT, service, all that. Doesn't seem too bad. The new bumper, fog light wing, good clean. There's a little bit of a noise, not if it's engine related, it's more like I say the belt maybe or something. Key back then. But yeah. Fucking hell. Might need a bit of WD in that. But yeah, the Fiat's good. So I get that sold. Might need to do a clutch on this, so it's waiting. Could do brakes on it as well. So that's waiting there a minute. But yeah, I'll get all that ordered because it takes a while. And then hopefully next video we'll be putting all that back together and see if she runs. I'm hoping it does. But you never know. Might spend all the money and it might not. But it's a gamble, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. I'll see you later.